Join me for a day in the life of a spectrometer technician here at Ocean Optics. Come in. Today, we are visiting our production facility here in Orlando to showcase our team and talented technicians and show you what it is we do to help make the world a better, safer, cleaner place for everyone to live. We have the capability to produce thousands of different configurations for our customers. It is critical for us to understand what the customer needs to measure so we can provide and handcraft solutions for their specific needs. We work collaboratively and cross-functionally with our global sales, order entry, manufacturing, engineering, and applications team to ensure that the solutions we are delivering to the customer meets their expectations and is delivered in an expected time frame. First things first, and at Ocean, that means safety. Safety for ourselves and our team members, and then safety for our products. We work in an ISO 8 class, so keeping containment to a minimum is important. Lab coats, sticky mats to capture debris, finger cuts and gloves to avoid finger contaminants, and ESD check spots to ground ourselves and make sure that we have dissipate any static charges prior to handling sensitivity electrical equipment. First step in the process for a spectrometer build is the slit and optical bench assembly. Here, we establish the optical path with the mechanical bench and perform what is called a rough alignment before sending the optomechanical assembly along for its next stop in the process. At its next stop, the spectrometer will go through a final alignment and calibration process where after some additional assembly, our technicians will use proprietary software accompanied by various light sources and fibers to optimize the performance of the spectrometer and provide the customers with a solution to their problems. After the final assembly of the spectrometer, the equipment is turned into our final QC department for any last quality checks before making its way to our shipping department to be packaged and ultimately into the delivery truck to be shipped to the customer. For the second part of my day, I'm just going to answer some emails and have a one-on-one with my team leader to give him an update on the work at the lab today. After this, I went to the office cafeteria and had a little salad. That was super good. Now I'm working on a project that will help bring to life an impactful environmental initiative here at Ocean Optics. I'm super excited about it. And then I'm just saying goodbye to everybody and go home after a great day of a challenge at work growth. Instigators of the possible.